Unfortunately, I am not feeling well, but know that I am there in spirit. I wanted to congratulate the cheer team on winning. I am so proud of all of you. You have worked very hard and you have done beautifully. Congratulations again. And to the people of the community who came to give their pets a better, healthier life, thank you. It's wonderful that you care so much about your pets. Please spread the word on how important it is to spay and neuter your pets, and continue to be leaders in your community. Thanks to all the animal rescue and welfare groups that made this event possible. Take Me Home Rescue in particular, who brought myself and the Carrie Ann and Abba Project in and allowed us to be part of such a wonderful event. Thank you. I was looking forward to seeing each and every one of you again, getting and giving out more hugs and seeing your bright and beautiful smiling faces. But I will have to wait until next time. Once again, I am so sorry I couldn't be there in person, but I am there with all of you and our furry friends in spirit. Take care of yourselves and your loving pets. They need you. Love, Carrie Ann.